Buyer activity is down. Many areas are seeing more contracts and prices are up from last year. It's Friday, July 26, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. If the interest rate improves at any point this year, predictions indicate that home prices will increase swiftly due to demand and continued lack of inventory. The Baltimore metro area is seeing a 25.8% drop in buyer activity, though new purchase contracts did rise 7.5% over last year and in 22 days, and prices are up 10.4% compared to 1 year ago. Southern Maryland buyer activity is down 26% from last year, and new contracts are up 6.3% in 23 days, but prices are down 3.3% compared to last year. The Mountain Region buyer activity is off by 2.46%, and new purchase contracts fell 36.36%, but prices are up 14.41% from last year. The Washington suburbs saw 44.84% drop in buyer activity, but new purchase contracts rose 3.85%, and prices are up 9.44% from last year. Maryland housing inventory saw 1,801 homes hit the market this past week, and another 1,117 are coming soon. 1,758 homes went under contract in 12 days. 1,400 homes sold since last week at 100% list-to-sold ratio in selling in 9 days. Rentals available for lease rose again this week to $2,333 at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 26, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.